Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to use picture-in-picture PiP mode on your Android phone. With PiP mode you can multitask like a pro. So for this guys, you need to watch a video till and very carefully. Picture-in-picture mode is a feature that allow you to minimize an app into small movable window. You can keep a floating while using other app, making multitasking super easy. Let's check it out how to set up this in your Android phone. So launch your app, for example YouTube. Okay, after launching, just close this and open your app recent menu like this and tap and hold on your app icon for few seconds, and here you can get the option open in pop-up view. Just select this option, that's it. Now if you want to move this window, you can move it as per your choice. Wherever you want to move, you can move. So if you want to use another app, so for example I will open the next app like Spotify. Okay, if you want to get more settings, here you can get the more settings option, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, just tap on that blue line on your app. If you want to exit, or if you want to resize, or if you want to get split screen, you can get this option from here, as you can see guys. Okay, so this feature will not support for all apps, so this feature is restricted for some apps. So if you want to use this, you can try this. Okay, so that's it for today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.